If viewers want to start using ClickUp, they should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To download ClickUp desktop app, search ClickUp Download to Google. After that, click the mobile and desktop app Chrome, Alexa, Google Home, the official page of ClickUp. Then, after you click it, scroll down. You'll see the link for mobile, desktop, and for Chrome extension. For the desktop, you will see a different link for different system. For me, I will click the Windows, save it, and there, it's already downloading. Once it's done, click the ClickUp Setup, and it will automatically install. And that's it. You successfully downloaded the ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.